Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we shall see the comparison of decimals. How to compare decimals? Yes, you have to first change the decimals to like decimal. After that only we can say which is greater, which is smaller. That is comparison, okay, or equal. And now we shall recall. In the 6th standard you have studied the like decimals, isn't it? So these two are unlike decimals, isn't it? 45.5 and 45.55. You have to first make the like decimal. How to make like decimal? After decimal point we have 2 digits here. But here we have only 1 digit. To make like decimal, you have to add 1 0 after 5. Then here also we have 2 digits after decimal, isn't it? This is a like decimal. These two are like decimals now. Then say which is greater, 3.300 and 3.3. First you make this as like decimal, 3.300. Here 3.3 only. So add here also 2 zeros. Now after decimal point we have 3 digits. Here also 3 digits. So both are like decimal now. Okay. Now you compare. Which is greater here? Yes, both are same. So 3.300 is equal to 3.300. Okay. Exercise 1.3. Compare and find out the smallest. First you have to compare. We are comparing these two. These two are unlike decimals. You make this as like decimal, 2.080, comma here 2.086. Okay. First you see the 1 digit, that is units digit is 2, both are. So then you see the 10th digit. 10th digit is both are 0. Then see the 100th digit. 100th is 8. Then see the 1000th digit. That is 6 here, here 0. So which is greater, 0 or 6? 6 is greater, isn't it? So 2.080 is smaller. Okay. The next one, 0.99, 1.9. Here also you have to find the smaller one. First you make it as like decimal, 0.99, 1.90. Here 0 point, here 1 point. So this is greater. So 0.99 is smaller. Third sum. Here after decimal 2 digits, here also 2 digits. So these two are like decimal. So see which is smaller. 3, 3. Okay. Then see the next term. 5, here 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So 3.35 is, yes, smaller. Okay. Then see here. Here also these two numbers are like decimal. Now see 5, 5. Here 0, 10th place is, here 10th place is 5. So this is smaller. So 5.05 is smaller. Then see here 123.5, here 12.35. So first make this as like decimal 123.50. Here also 12.35. Okay, now see here 123, here 12 only. So 12.35 is, yes, smaller. Okay. Then arrange in ascending order. The ascending order means, yes, smaller to bigger. See here 3, 3, 5, 2, 2. 2 is smaller first. Okay. 2.35. Next 2.53. So 2.35 is first smaller. And next is 2.53. Then take 3 point. Here 3.25, 3.52. So 3.25 is smaller. Yes. 3.25 is smaller. Then 3.52. Next, see these two are, this one is 5. So 5.32, only 1 5 point. So you can write last. We have written in ascending order. Ascending order. Then see the next sum, second sum. Here 123, here 123, 125, 125, and here also 125. First 123 is smaller than 125. So take these two. Here 45, here 54. So this one is first, this one is second. Okay, then 125. See 125, 3 125s are here. So make this as like decimal first. Now it is like decimal. So 125, 0.43, 0.34 and 0.30. So this is the smaller third one. Then again this is the smaller fourth one. And this is the last small. Okay. Now you write in ascending order. Okay. 123.45, comma 123.54, comma 125.30, comma 125.34, comma 125.43. This is in ascending order. Okay, next see the arrange the decimal numbers in descending order. Descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay. See 17, 71, 51, 73. So this is the first one. This is 37, isn't it? Next 71 is second. Okay. Then 51. This is third. Then 37 is fourth one and 17 is fifth one. Write as descending order. First one is 73.51, comma 71.53, comma then third one is 51.73, comma 37.51, comma 17.35. Next one, descending order. See this 456.73, comma 546.37, comma 563.47, comma 745.63, comma 457.71. Now you see which is greater. 745 is greater, isn't it? We have to write this in bigger to smaller. So the bigger number is 745. Isn't it? That is 1. Then again we have 500, isn't it? 563.47 is second one. Then 546 is third one. Then for 456 here 457. So this is fourth one. 57 is fourth one. And 56 is fifth one. Okay. Now descending order 745.63, comma 563.47, comma 546.37, comma 457.71, comma 456.73. Then exercise 4.1, understanding maths. In this fourth Roman letter, segregate the decimals into groups of like decimals. Okay, they are given some decimal numbers. You have to make the groups like decimals. To make all these numbers to like decimals. See here, after decimal point, how many numbers they are given. Maximum is 3. Okay, maximum is 3. Here 2, here 1, here 2, here 3, here 1, here 1, here 3, and here 2. So maximum after decimal point they are given 3 numbers. So make all the numbers to 3. Okay. First you take 79.07. You add 1 0. Then it will come as 3 terms after decimal point. Then next, already it is in 3 decimals. And next one, 63.5. Then add 2 zeros. We are making the numbers to like decimal. Okay. Next one, 3980.990. Okay. Next one, 0 point, already it is in 3 decimal point. Then next is 444.400. Okay. Next 38.300. Then 72.999. This is already in 3 decimal. Then last one, 6848.48. And add 1 0. Okay, we have made the decimals as like decimal. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.